Where you at?
Caught him looking the other direction. Mixed.
You didn't mix me. I'm behind you the entire time.
Mixed.
Come here. Okay, I'm doing this to you next round.
You're so close, dude. You're so
close. You literally just ran. 90% of the match you sat up there.
At like the last 3 seconds, I was dancing. And then you almost hit me.
Why? Why am I it again?
Why me? As soon as I start streaming.
I don't know if I can mix someone, though.
You can't mix. You never mixed. Not once in this entire thing.
Just stop.
No, I'll go back for Drew.
Has he mixed me?
Okay. Oh, what? I didn't hit you?
Oh my god. Look at me mix him.
Oh.
Look at me mix him.
Oh my god. I was so bad.
It looked like you were trying to kiss him low-key.
But that was so bad, bro. I missed every single one of my shots. Alright, I'll just use it now.
Yes! Now I get to do what I do. Hey, tossy.
What do you want?
You see where I am? You see where I am?
That's really not gonna work, but okay.
No, that's gonna work.
He's gonna come over there and kill you. Oh god, he found you. What was that?
Oh my god! Oh my god, he found me! Run! Get mixed!
Oh my god. You spammer. LJC, if you can't find this man, you're bad, okay? Come on.
Get mixed!
The way I just
all mixed. Oh my god, I'm mixing this guy. Mixed again.
Oh my god.
Not for real, you are.
Now you can't mix me. Not anymore. I turned on mix disabled.
Mix. He acts like he's good. I wasn't even trying. I was just turning direction.
Well, how about you try? Then? Because I want to see your full power.
I want to see your full power. I want to see your full power. Show me your full power.
Yo, by the way, I'm
No, you don't
streaming.
deserve full power. You deserve half power.
So like, I hope to see you on YouTube while like this.
Just for that, you're mixed.
Did he just turn a direction and say this is mixed?
No,
He was
I
just
actually
running,
do
I'm not gonna lie. This man just said a mix when he said he was running.
Oh my god!
This man is literally just running.
He's snowing me.
Mixed.
Oh, come on.
I'm so spoiled.
Oh, what? What? I'm so bad at this. Oh, no, never mind, I'm not.
You gave me a rush start, Loki.
Hop, drop, flip, up, go, backwards, run, left, hop, this.
Hello there.
Someone
Where
play.
are you going?
Don't let him mix you. He's bad at mixing.
Alright, I'm just going in a circle. Doing what you're doing.
Hello there. you thought.
I want to be on Tossy's team. He's good.
Too bad.
You already know what time it is, right?
Yeah, for you to change direction, not mixing.
Yeah.
This guy doesn't understand the definition of juking a man.
Nope, I'm gonna mix you.
Oh, sheesh. That was scary.
Come here, Tossy. Come here, Tossy. Come here, Tossy.
I'm up here. That's LJC who you're chasing right now. Likey. I likey. I likey. I likey.
I don't even care to get LGC because all he does is mix. Come here, Tossy. I got you.
I know the mix.
Okay, what does mix mean? Just tell me. Just give me a little.
Kill someone.
Yeah, you didn't do that once. I was on your tail every single time.
Nope. And I mixed
That's like,
you. And I mixed you. That's what happened. And I mixed you.
if you're on somebody's tail,
and over
90% of the
and
time it's
over
not.
and over. That's what happened. That's what happened.
Come here.
Lag.
Dang.
Lag.
That was not
I'm
like,
gonna blame it on
nah,
lag
I'll
because
just stop lying,
examine
bro.
the fact that I don't know how
I
to
have replay,
mix.
but okay. I have replay.
We're not gonna show lag. They're not gonna show lag. They can't show lag. That's all I have to say.
Dang. You know what? Nah, I'm gonna record. OBS.
I'm already recording, and I know for a matter of
OBS.
fact you didn't.
OBS.
I'm gonna kill you.
Start
Here,
recording.
get your
Now I'm
Drew,
recording.
Drew, stand still.
I'm
Drew,
recording.
stand
I'm
still.
gonna kill you.
Drew, stand still, Drew. Go on that. Alright, stand still. Jump. Oh,
You made me go the other way. You
3,
idiot.
2,
You want to kill it?
3,
Come on, do it,
2,
man.
1,
Okay,
jump.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey.
Just
Okay, wait. Throw it right there. Yeah, throw it right there, right. I hit you. No, I'm not joking this time. I hit you.
Hi, Dudu. You are purple. You are purple. You are purple. Oh no. Are you purple, motherfucker? That was
Merry
lucky.
Christmas, motherfucker.
It's Drew again.
Correct. Why? Why is it me only for 2 rounds and you guys for 1? Why is it wrong?
You sound like you when I
That's dope.
You sound like you
I think they don't like you. Oh, that's tough. Alright, yeah, everyone, let's go back to hub. This is kind of boring anyways. We don't have enough
I
people.
get it 3 times in a row.
and I always mix him too.
You never mixed me once.
Yes, I did. Stop lying, bro. Stop lying.
Not really,
okay,
he didn't.
Tossie, come here, watch. This is what he did.
I
Yup.
don't care.
You were right on me, and I mixed you, bozo. I mixed you, bozo.
Okay, try tagging me now. Try tagging me. Just touch me. Over you. Over. No, this is what you're doing the entire game. You're just going around. You haven't. You weren't even
I
near
would
me
have
when you said
already
tag.
hit you. I would have already tagged, hit.
No, you gotta. Okay.
Bro, that's easy to freaking beat. You just can't do it.
Boys, go over here.
Oh,
guys.
look at this.
Ultimate
This is
1v1.
all you did that entire game.
It's been a while
Well,
since I played
listen,
this.
I still mixed you. You're just mad.
You never
Stay
mixed me
mad.
once.
Yeah, you never
are
did.
a
You never
hater.
did.
You're just a hater. That's all you
You
are.
Yeah,
never
I'm a
mixed
hater
them.
for I hate liars.
No, you are a hater of
Oh,
me.
he
That's
likes
what you
liars.
are.
Okay.
That's what
I
you
just
are.
had to make
You are
sure you
just
like
a
liars.
hater. You are
He
just
likes
a
to lie, bro.
hater.
I hate
You are
liars.
just-
I like this gun. I like this gun too.
Yeah,
You
like
are
I
just
said,
a
I hate liars.
hater.
Ooh, this place
No,
is
I don't want that
nice.
actually.
Ooh, this place has got more guns.
You are.
I want a heavy shotgun.
That's
I want
all
heavy
you
too.
are.
I
Honestly,
want a
I
heavy
think it's
shotgun.
pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie.
No mythics.
Bro, what did you say? What did you say?
I mean, it's good. It's
No, you never say the freaking
Hey,
heavy
wait,
shotgun is
I
bad.
need one gun. I don't
Don't
even
even-
care.
pretty bad, honestly.
It is. It's good, bro. It is so
I
good,
only
bro.
use one type
I
of gun.
don't
use
like
only
how they
one
just
weapon.
made it a one-shot gun. Like it only
Okay.
shoots like a normal shotgun. Which
That makes it
spread
better.
Out, but that doesn't even do it.
Okay, it's a little new sniper. It's good. I like it.
Where is the
I like
mythic?
it, like
It
it.
can only shoot from 75.
Where's my mythic
I
at?
like it.
Where's my spirit mythic? Where's my mythic?
You can't counter
Eh.
that. You can't
Hey,
counter
yo, boys.
that.
I was
Okay.
boys, I'm the foundation.
I'm so bad. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I will
I'm dead.
still
I'm
mix
dead.
you.
I will still mix you. All right, hold on. Wait. Let me throw away this gun.
Can
I
I
am the
actually get a gun
foundation.
that I want?
Then why did you start?
I am
Why did
foundation.
you start joining? Like, start shooting us.
I am foundation.
Because you started shooting at people.
I mean, you did kill Drew though.
What the frick?
Sorry.
Okay.
I'll let you do that.
Just had to tag him. I just had to tag him. Sorry.
What about again?
What did I do? Oh, I'm 1 health. Oh, I'm 1
Like
HP.
Tossie shot you, bro. Why
I'm
you mad
actually
at
1
me?
HP. Whoa! I told
No,
you.
no building.
No build. No
Gotta
pimping.
get mixed. Gotta get mixed.
Remember whenever we used to be able to turn invisible? Well, I'm trying to do something, bro.
Thought that was true.
I'm trying to do this. No, I'm not turning invisible.
Can't hit my shots.
I want to change.
Brown on him.
I like gray.
What? That? No, they got lucky with
It's
that
way more.
headset.
It shows more color.
Bro, okay,
Like, I
okay,
need
so
to get
say
better
this.
at COD. I'm not gonna
You
lie.
could be the best player at the game, and you miss your shot, and then they hit you with a 200 pump. Are you bad at the game? I don't think so.
Yeah. Cause how
If
could
they
you
hit
not build? You should have built a little
You're
bit.
in your box. You
You
are where to
should've-
put your
you
pump.
should've
If you
built.
edit, you're dead.
Okay,
And
but
you-
you should've-
Drew, what did I do to you, bro? I'm trying to help
Peace
and
control.
This guy
get.
doesn't understand the
You should've-
I'm trying to
definition.
avenge
If
you.
you build,
Case control.
or you forget edit,
Bro,
or
can y'all
heal,
like,
you're
oh,
dead.
like, be quiet, you know? Oh, please. I swear.
You're the one trying to build fight me. That's your
You're a
fault for
sweat.
thinking that you can do that.
Your sweat. What?
Oh, actually, you're doing
You're all that good. All that good.
What do you? Oh, you're bad. You're horrible at the game, bro.
okay.
Hey, Drew, look behind you.
You did.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Okay, I'm bad at the game. Oh. I don't want to play any of this. I want to go back to Modern Warfare. Yo, no one killed me real quick.
You're bad at the game.
No one killed me
Bad at
real
the game.
quick.
Sorry, I didn't get 200 pump.
Oh,
That's it. All you say is if you get 200 pumped, you suck at the game.
I didn't even 200 pump you, first of all.
I didn't get 200 pump. You did. You got 200 pump.
Oh, that was actually good. I need to do something. Oh my god. I suck at this game. You know, I'm gonna go put on the double pump. Oh, we're doing double pump. What are you gonna go use double pump?
Oh, double pump doesn't work.
Yes it is. Stop it. I'm trying to double pump. Oh my god. You are
Oh my
annoying.
god, that thing's heavy.
Oh my god. Oh, you're so annoying. You keep. Oh my god.
Wait.
You kept messing me up.
Oh, here's the sound of death.
How bad?
Double pump.
Actually, I don't really like double pump. Let me go with this thing.
Ooh.
I didn't even get a chance to use it. I haven't been able to use the thing in years.
You better not turn it off.
I put it off for me.
Why am I not shooting? Why am I shooting?
Double pump feels good.
Get double pump. Get double pump.
Glitching out. I'm lagging. It's either glitching out or I'm lagging.
Ow. I shot you in the body.
You can't double pump.
Can you shoot?
Bro, you
Oh my
cannot
God.
tell me. If only I aim for the head, you expect me to. If I clap you, if I kill you
double pump is
without
open,
double pump,
I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
now
What the
what's
freak?
wrong?
Oh, Drew,
You stole my kill. You bad.
you're literally 194. I did 194. Dude, no, why do you keep building when you see none of us building?
Killing everyone at
My kill.
I just keep talking to you.
My
Can I,
kill.
bro? I almost clapped you without double pump.
Nope, nope, I really don't
I
care.
cracked all of your shields and like 84 HP double pump.
If double pump was still here, bro.
Oh my gosh, I nearly killed him.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Bro, can you even aim? Oh, fine, I'll
If
make
you
a
can
double.
aim, if you really can aim with double pump, bro, you're like the other person.
Aim with double pump? No, what the freaking bro? Why am I switching to my... Why is this... You're
Why am I
constantly
switching to my
to a new
stinger?
section.
Oh, I'm switching to my stinger.
Oh, it's just your trash.
Sorry, Drew, but you're gonna have to
Why
go.
are you using your stinger, bro? Why are you using
Can you see that I'm doing something?
No.
I am the rock himself. The rock needs his
What am I supposed to do? You all have double pump.
Meme.
Dead.
Let me go enable double pump, please. No? Okay.
You didn't. You already did. You already did. You already have a
No,
double
I
pump.
didn't.
I'm
And
going
I'm
home.
switching to my team.
Go home. No.
I'm
No.
switching.
You already do.
Got double pump now.
And what are you gonna do about it?
got
You're not
double
gonna do
pump
anything.
now.
You're about to
If
die.
I'm building a battle arena, do not get
Stop building, bro. No one's building at all.
I'm not building.
Bro. What?
See, that's the problem.
Why did she and Drew? Why?
You know what? I'm just gonna leave you alone. I have a scar. Oh, he's mad. He's a little mad. He's a little mad. Ooh, he's about to get killed. He's mad. He's about to get killed. He's mad. He's about to get killed. Ooh, the little summer boy. I'm just gonna slide.
Making noises of death in the distance.
Actually, I don't really like double pump that much. I can't really build here. I'm gonna go turn it off. Like, I can't tell if I want it or if I don't want it. I just can't tell.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yay! Double pump that.
Double pump this. Huh? Double pump this. Double pump this.
Double pump
What the?
that.
I'm leaving!
Oh, okay.
No, you idiot! You come here! Come here! Come here! Start building! I don't care anymore!
Can I just turn off double pump? Can I just turn it off? I don't like it.
No!
No.
You cannot! Because once you get to my builds! The precious build!
I'll rebuild it.
What the freak?
I'm getting oppressed.
Come here, boy! I don't like tools no more! I don't
I'm
like
getting
cookers.
oppressed.
You made me mad. You destroyed my super secret home.
I'm level 98. Oh my god, I'm level 98.
Almost making it again!
Why are you building, bro? It's really annoying. Yeah, get him, Drew. You're bad.
You steal
Bad.
all of my kills. All about
You're
the-
bad. Bad. You're bad. Bro, you're such a third
Spammer,
party
bro. He's a
spammer.
That's what you did to me.
Oh, I
Dude,
didn't.
you
I
can't
didn't do
complain
that at all,
about
dude.
spamming when you have a double pump. Dog, you have
Double
a
pump is not
You did not
spamming,
complain
is
about
it?
spamming.
It's
It is something that does 100 damage.
I'll show you
You
willpower. I'll show you
spammer.
willpower
You
if you really want to see
spammer.
it. You boys remember the
Spammer.
cheese gun from Pavlov? The cheese gun?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Don't shoot me!
You're such a spammer, bro.
Oh, he's
You
a camper too.
spammer. You spammer.
Yo, camper.
You
Yo,
spammer.
camper. Where you at, motherfucker?
Oh, that's spam.
Nah, man, you freaking did it to yourself. You want to spam with a full-on
Bye-bye.
SMG?
What did you gain from that?
Oh, we gained a lot from that. I want my cheese gun. Noises
Dumb.
of cheese.
Sideways.
Oh, lasered. Don't kill me yet. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I said don't kill me.
Hold on. How low were you? Like 2 health, 4 health?
Like 54. I didn't look at my health.
Yo, let me turn off. Let me turn off a double pump real quick.
Yeah, it's not
I'm
fun.
turning off the bomb.
Yeah, it just ruins your day.
How do you? Oh, okay.
Let me build. I'm not trying to fight y'all. I'm just trying to build my little thing over here.
For real, I'm just trying to kill this man. You just came over here.
Don't mess with me. What I am doing over
Yeah,
the
you have
corner.
a Brutus minigun. I'm gonna clap you now. You realize that?
I don't care.
I'm
One
going
sec, don't
to-
kill me. I'm getting a gun.
Can you not kill me either?
Okay, fine.
Dude, you suck at that.
From the first word I hear,
It's the best word they hear.
what's he texted in the chat?
Oh, how
How
did I
do I
not
kill you?
shoot
How
you?
do I kill you? How do I kill you? How do I do that?
I shot
How
you,
do I do
but
that?
you didn't die.
How do I do that when I'm so low? Alright, can I actually get a gun now? No?
No, you're being annoying.
Alright.
Wait, where my build?
Nothing can beat this. Nothing can beat this.
No.
You had like
You
48
little
feet.
mother.
Yeah, I'll just team up on someone doing
Oh, I didn't. You weren't there. Who destroyed the build? Who got rid
Can
of the
I
build?
get a gun?
It was
Oh,
OJC,
no.
bro.
Oh, I got it. Let's go.
My build.
Stop that. Stop
We
that.
gotta make this. We gotta make it.
Bro.
We gotta make the 7 base.
So you shoot. You shoot at them. I protect them. Now I get, bro.
Come on, come on. Okay. How'd you shoot? How was it?
Yo, why y'all already fighting, bro?
It's a war zone
let
out
us
here.
build.
What are you talking
Let us
about? We can
build.
turn on double pump. You
Let
want
us
to see double
build.
pump? I'll show you double pump.
Cool. You
Yo,
can't
yo,
build.
someone told Percy stop texting and that.
Exactly, he's texting too much.
He said text.
Come on, stop that.
Bro, they added the heavy shot.
Child.
Yeah, I know.
We know. We've been playing.
You're a
for
child
2
too. I don't know
days.
what you're talking about.
You child. You
I
little
just
boy.
forgot my loadout. I'm stupid.
You son of a gun.
Oh, my bad, my bad,
Not
my
all,
bad,
not
my
all.
bad.
I don't care. I don't care. You can double it. You destroy my build. You destroy my build. You get rid. I
You don't
get
want
your
me to
build.
double it.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. You want? I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you.
Dang, why you steal my kill, RJC?
grabbing
RJC, bro.
I had to do something. Oh my god.
MJ.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't fight me right before you have to do something.
I'm sorry.
MJ, behind you. Do you see what I am?
Don't even try to do that.
Say hello to the double pump.
I reload, please.
You got that double pump.
I reload, please.
Don't destroy the build.
No, I'm mad at that.
Bro.
I'm about to clip this kid. I'm about to clip this kid. Build a fort. Do not mess with me in my fort. What?
I was come on, boy.
You deserve. You deserve.
Don't
that.
mess with
I
my
was trying to
brata.
build-
Don't mess with my brata.
No, you messed with me.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Ooh.
Yo, what
Don't
are you
mess with me.
building?
Who keeps resetting the builds?
I got the double pump. What are you talking about?
No, you
It's me.
Now you
It's
want to
me.
talk about the double pump, huh?
It's me.
Build wall. Build the
Oh,
wall.
who keeps texting? Stop. Oh my gosh.
Build it. Make it too thick. Make it. You see what I'm building? Make it like that.
Yeah,
Make
I
it
know.
too tall. I'll make it too tall. You do the place the stairs.
Alright.
You try it.
Double
You're gonna try
pump
it,
is
bro.
back, baby.
You're gonna try it. You're really gonna try it.
Oh, that's not mine.
34 damage. I'm better off using a star at this point.
This is double pump. Dang. I'm unstoppable.
Alright.
What's up, boy? This doesn't even take damage.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Great. Leave. Okay, what?
wait,
Like, I
I
want
need
to
to
reset
something out.
builds
I
so
need to
bad,
test
but there's a bunch of 90s.
Click it and you die.
Huh?
Don't kill.
So click it. No, I just want to crack one of you guys and then you guys could heal. Cause I want to see if it works.
No.
It
It
works.
doesn't work.
Work it on
It doesn't work.
LDC.
No, you're pretending. You're pretending. You're freaking pretending. It's
It
fraud.
doesn't work.
Bro, stop fighting in the base.
You
fake
fraud. What
and
are
a
you doing to my
fraud.
force?
You fake and a fraud. You're out here saying it doesn't
I'm making
work.
my house
Yeah,
right here.
buddy.
I'm
Oh,
making
it
my house
doesn't
right here.
work. Casually just aims at someone's head. Oh, it doesn't work.
I'm making my floor.
It doesn't work, even though I just aimed at someone's head.
Jeez, I hate double pump.
After I say that it doesn't work. I'm like, oh yeah, it doesn't work.
Whoa, chill there, Jamal. They didn't even do anything to you.
Oh, you better shoot me, what?
Cassie, where you at? Where you at?
I'm building the building.
Oh, that makes sense.
So me in these streets. Die. Dude, if you try. Yeah, that's what I thought. Don't even try to do that edit on me. You'll just regret it.
What in the name of worlds?
What in the name of worlds?
What in the name of worlds?
What in the name of...
Unbiased. What in the name of poop? Yeah, I said it. What in the name of poop?
What in the reset the builds?
It's a rat!
You click that reset build, you die. I'm not joking with you anymore.
Bro,
Oh, you son of a
oh
gun.
my
Where's this
god.
man? Where's this man? There he is.
Kill him, just knock him down. Jump him.
Yes. Big boys for life. Big boys for life. Big boys for life. Big man, Darcy, I'll build wall. I'll build wall.
Xbox lives matters. Big
I'll
boys
build wall. I'll
fly.
build
So. Let's go, so fly. Big boys fly like black light matters. Oh, come on. Try it.
Dude, MJ, oh my god.
Again, you do it again.
Just solo. No, just trap him in the box. Trap him in a box.
It's not gonna work.
Hey, LJC, make sure he doesn't get that button.
Alright, get him.
Get out of my way, little boy!
He's in a box. Get him.
Coming! Daddy's coming. Bang, 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 bang.
Oh, he...
Bang, 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 bang. Bang.
Keep him away from the button.
Bang, 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 bang. Oh my jeez.
Don't try that. Don't try that one more round.
Boy.
I'll stop, bro. But you guys should stop.
No. You
I'll
click.
stop, but you
Oh
guys.
my god.
Oh, okay.
No, I
Target
took
him.
the builds already in my way.
Target him.
Don't
Target him.
freaking destroy it ever again.
Alright, fine. Just stop building, dummy. Like around this.
I'm going to my
We're not
house.
building over
I'm
there.
going to my
Stop,
Nah, I'm about to.
yeah, I'm going to my
where you at,
island,
Cassie?
boys. I'm
Where's it,
going
Cassie? Oh,
to my
I'm gonna
island.
make an island. I'm going to make an island. Cassie, where you at? We can make islands.
Island boy.
I just wanted my island. I just wanted an island.
Stop, bro. I didn't do anything to you.
You did a lot of things.
Yeah,
Where
you
are
do a
you,
lot of
Cassie?
things to us.
I can't see you.
I went to the oh yeah, I forgot. I'm so streaming.